Imagine this. I sit down at my desk, ready to tackle the daunting task of writing an essay. You know the drill. Pencil in hand, juice on the side, and that sinking feeling in my stomach that comes with staring at a blank page. But instead of diving into the usual panic, I decide to try something different. I pull up MyEssayWriter.ai, a tool that promises to do the heavy lifting for me. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Isn't that cheating? But hear me out. In today's fast-paced world, where we're all juggling a million responsibilities, finding a shortcut can sometimes feel like a breath of fresh air. So I dive in. At first, I'm skeptical. Can an AI really deliver something worth reading? I mean, we've all seen those cringe-worthy attempts at generating text that feel more robotic than relatable. But as I explore MyEssayWriter.ai, I am struck by how effortlessly it generates ideas. I type in my topic, and within seconds, it spits out a list of potential angles to explore. It's like having a brainstorming session with a super smart friend who doesn't need to take breaks or eat snacks. Next, I watch as the AI structures the content for me. It's almost magical. Paragraphs form, ideas flow, and before I know it, I'm staring at a rough draft that's surprisingly coherent. I can't help but feel a little giddy. This is not just a jumble of words. It's a well-organized piece of writing that actually makes sense. I can see how this would be a game changer for anyone who struggles with the writing process, whether you're a student facing a deadline or a professional needing to whip up a report. But of course, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. There are quirks. Oh, the quirks. There are moments when the AI misunderstands my prompts or takes a bizarre detour into left field. I asked for a discussion on climate change, and it started rambling about the benefits of gardening. I mean, gardening is great, but not exactly what I had in mind. These hiccups add a layer of unpredictability that keeps the experience engaging. It's like working with a slightly eccentric collaborator who occasionally needs a little guidance to stay on track. As I continue to refine the essay, I realize that while the AI does a fantastic job at generating content, it still requires my personal touch, human touch. This is where the magic happens. I start to tweak sentences, add my own flair, and inject some personality into the piece. It's a collaborative effort, and I find myself appreciating the AI's input while also recognizing the importance of my own voice. After all, writing is about more than just stringing words together. It's about conveying thoughts and emotions. Finally, I reach the moment of truth, reviewing the final essay. I can't help but be impressed. It's clear, well-organized, and surprisingly coherent. For anyone needing quick results without spending hours brainstorming, this is a lifesaver. Sure, it's not flawless. There are still a few awkward phrases and ideas that could use a bit more depth, but overall, it exceeded my expectations for an AI-driven tool. It's a testament to how far technology has come, and it makes me wonder what the future holds for creative writing. Would I recommend MyEssayWriter.ai? Absolutely. It's perfect for students, professionals, or anyone looking for a strong starting point. If you're facing a tight deadline or just feeling creatively drained, this tool can help you get the ball rolling. But here's the catch. Always review and tweak the content. You want to ensure it reflects your voice and ideas. It's a partnership, not a replacement. Now, if you're curious about how AI can transform creativity and the writing process, stick around. I'm excited to share my full experience, my thoughts on the implications of AI in writing, and of course, the final essay that emerged from this experiment. It's fascinating to see how technology can enhance our creative endeavors, and I can't wait to dive deeper into this world with you. As we wrap up, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Have you ever used AI for writing? What was your experience like? Drop your comments below and let's start a conversation. And don't forget to subscribe for more content where I explore the intersection of technology and creativity. Together, we can navigate this fascinating landscape and discover how tools like MyEssayWriter.ai can empower us to express ourselves more effectively. Thanks for joining me on this journey, and I can't wait to see where it takes us next.